It's really simple. You just need to click on create a business, fill out your data, which should be name or business name. It doesn't matter. You can change it later. Once you do this, you need to go to your email and then click the link, and you can go inside your business and start managing it. So in this case, I use my one, and it should take you to the following page. Now this layout is always changing on Meta. Like every month they are updating this. So it might be different by the time you are seeing this video. But if it is, just reach out to me and I'll be super happy to help you. From here, you go to Ads Manager, you wait for it to load, and then you will see your ad account. But in your case, you probably don't have any ad account. So you need to click on the business settings on the left, the wrench icon, you will see this. So first you will see your name here under people. So these are all the people that have access to the business portfolio. You can easily add more people by just inviting and then adding an email address. So it's super simple. What you will need to start running ads is a page. So you can see I have multiple pages added. You can add the page if your personal Facebook is already connected to a page. In my case, I have it connected to my agency, which is Upscale. So you can see I can add it here, but I already have it added, the business manager. You can also create a brand new page from this section. You just need to add the page name, a category, and then a short bio section about your page. Then you need to create an ad account and then add if you don't have any. It's super easy to create. You click on create a new ad account actually, and then you just name it new ad account, whatever time zone you are currently in and the currency you want to use. So this will be for my business. Then you click on create, and then in this section you need to assign all the people who are going to have access to this ad account. So it's only me in this business manager, and I am going to have full control. Okay, so once you create it automatically pops up. You need to add the payment info. So you just click this button. You need to go to the right side, click this drop down, view payment methods. Click on there, and then it's going to load, and you are going to click get started. So it's my country, Hungary. I like to use US dollars because it's easier to do the math. And then you need to add your business info. So business name, street address. This is for legal and tax purposes. So I recommend reach out to your accountant. But I have it set up. And if you are buying it for ads purposes, you need to have it on. And so once you have it, you save this info, and then you add a credit card or PayPal, whatever works for you. And then it should be super straightforward. It's going to do a $1 transaction just to see if it's a valid card and if it actually works. And that's all that you need to do on the ad account side. Next, we need to add a Facebook page and an Instagram page. We already discussed how the Facebook page works. Next will be the Instagram page. Under accounts, you will see Instagram accounts. Same option, you can add the Instagram account. If you click this button, you will have the option to just sign in, and it's going to be assigned to your business. And you will also need to assign yourself. So click on the Instagram account that you want to use on your ads. Click assign people, select yourself, and then give yourself full control. So that's going to be needed.